Hi viewers, the video is about relationship between planning and controlling. Planning and controlling are considered two twins. Planning and controlling relationship can be expressed in a way that they are interrelated, interconnected and interdependent. Right? They are incomplete without one another. So, the various experts express relationship between planning and controlling in four different ways or four different points. Number one, planning and controlling are interrelated. We say they are interrelated because planning determines in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, by whom to do, etc. Right? Whereas controlling, which is the other side of the coin, ensures that whatever is planned out is implemented according to planning or not. The activities being done in the organization are according to planning or not is ensured through controlling. So planning sets the targets, sets the goals and aims to be achieved. Controlling ensures its achievement and fulfillment. So we say that planning and controlling are the two sides of similar coin or one single coin. Point number two, planning is precondition of controlling. Point number two, expressing the relationship between planning and controlling is that planning is a precondition for controlling. Planning controlling की पूर्व शर्त है, पूर्व कंडीशन है, प्रीकंडीशन है. मतलब planning is done first, controlling is done afterwards. Not only that, but we say that planning is a precondition for controlling because controlling is dependent on planning. Right? What will you control? You will only control to see to it whether the activities being done in the organization are as per planning or not. So, planning is a precondition. That means without planning, there is nothing to control. If planning does not exist, controlling cannot exist. And so we say planning is precondition of controlling. Number three, protection against change. See, planning and controlling both are future oriented. We say both are future oriented because planning is done in advance, but the aim is in future. Right? The activities to be done are in future. Right? Planning हम आज करते हैं, implementation future में होगा. So when we plan and when we actually implement, there might be a time gap between the two. तो वो दो टाइम गैप के दौरान जो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होते, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स लाइक गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स लाइक रिसेशन, external factors like inflation, depression, change in customers' choice, preference and likings, change in competition level, ये सब जो external factors में जो changes आते हैं उनको ध्यान में रख के हम प्लानिंग को कंट्रोल कर प्लानिंग को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. અને to implement the planning, keeping in mind the changes in external factors that have taken place, we call it protection against change. And that is how controlling and planning together gives us protection against change that usually happens, mostly happens, many times happens, because with the changing time, change is bound to happen. And so we say that protection against change is ensured due to planning and controlling. And last but not least, friends, is planning originates controlling, or in other words, planning is called father of controlling because planning is done first. Planning is the beginning activity, initial activity, is the first managerial function to be performed. Controlling is the end activity. Planning precedes controlling. Controlling follows planning. Right? And that's why we say that planning originates controlling. यानी प्लानिंग होता है तो कंट्रोलिंग का बर्थ होता है. बगैर प्लानिंग के कंट्रोलिंग की जरूरत ही नहीं रहती. प्लानिंग पहले आता है, पहले होता है, बाद में उसके बेस पर हम कंट्रोलिंग करते हैं फ्यूचर में. सो अगर दोनों की रिलेशनशिप को एक्सप्रेस करनी हो तो हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आउट ऑफ द टू, प्लानिंग इज द फादर ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. सो